Hello, Nomad Sculpt, and this video is about exact pivot positions. How to place the pivot exactly on a vertex position here, like the top of the pyramid. Okay, so we need an example. So you see here your object and how to position the pivot exactly on the top of the pyramid. So here's the pivot option. So you can do it by hand and try to find the exact point, but that's not exact. So yeah, we need another option. So for this we need the mask tool. So here is the mask tool, and mask the top vertex of the pyramid. So this position here, and then press invert. So now you see only the top of the pyramid is unmasked. So now when you select here the Gizmo tool, the Gizmo jumps to the top position of the pyramid where the unmasked vertex is. So make sure that here the target mode is to, at the moment, vertex. So the auto function chooses vertex and not object, because the object mode doesn't work. So, okay, now you see here the position, and now it's possible to pin this position here. There's a pin option. Pin it, and now your object has a mask. So there are two ways to get rid of the mask. So you can clear the mask, but I think there's a bug in version 1.9. So use this instead. Here in the shading menu, you find here a show mask option. So deselect this mask thing here, and now it's possible to rotate the object around the vertex position, or move it here. And also it's possible to, when you add an object, the other object here on the Gizmo position, then you can insert here maybe a other object, and then it's positioned exactly at this top position here. Okay, so let's do another example. It's very useful for such things like walls and shelf boards and so on. So let's change here the divisions. So yeah, I show it like this here. So I press validate, and now we need again, so here make sure that the show mask thing is active again, and then choose the mask tool, and here make sure that the symmetry is off. So you only have to mask one vertex, so this one maybe here in the edge, and then press invert. So when you now select here the Gizmo tool, and here the pin is at the moment active, you see it here. Now it jumps to the mask position. You find here also a reset to mask option in the pivot reset options. So, and now you have to pin it again. So this pin is important. And now show mask off. And now it's possible to scale the object from this position. So you have now the options to scale it directly from the edge position. So like this. Okay. So that's the thing about the positioning, exact positioning of the of the pivot or gizmo. And yeah, maybe you can use it. Have fun with sculpting. Ciao.